Hello guys, and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how you could delete the temporary files from your Windows computer. To do that, click and open your PC and select or click on in your hard disk, click with the right button of the mouse and select Properties. Make sure that you're selecting the partition which is related to system. Next step, we will select this cleanup or click on it. And here we will click again clean up system files. The operation might take a few seconds, even up to a few minutes if you have a lot of data in your hard disk. The next step, we want to select all these temporary files, but make sure to not select or make sure to tick download. Next step, we'll click OK. We'll select delete files and then deleting files will start. Note that the operation might take a few seconds, up to a few minutes, and even up to half an hour if you have a lot of temporary files and a lot of data. Note that this will not erase your personal data, it erases only the temporary files. So make sure to check what you are selecting. Now that it's done, you can go ahead, close it, and here as you can see, we'll go back again to this PC. I have got back another gig free. In your case, you might even get more. Thank you guys for watching. If you would like to always encourage us, you can press like and share if you find this video useful, and you can always subscribe to get our latest videos.